Something big is happening with PAX Gold right now. After a heavy market shakeout, PAXG is starting to stabilize, and traders are watching closely for a possible explosive breakout. Could this be the next major move for tokenized gold? Let's break it all down right now on Token Space. PAX Gold, also known as PAXG, is a digital asset backed by real physical gold. And while traditional gold markets remain strong, crypto traders are now looking at PAXG as a safe haven asset during volatile market conditions. At the moment, PAXG is trading near $4,557.56. The market cap is holding above $2.14 billion. While trading volume has jumped significantly in the last 24 hours. That increase in volume tells us one important thing. Traders are active and momentum could be building. Looking at the chart, we can clearly see a strong sell-off earlier in the session, but after the drop, price entered a sideways consolidation phase. This usually happens before a major move. Right now, bulls are attempting to defend the 4,500 support level, while bears continue rejecting the market near 4,560 and above. Here are the most important levels to watch right now. Major support sits at $4,500, $4,450, and $4,400. Key resistance levels are $4,560, $4,600, and $4,650. If buyers break above $4,600 with strong volume, PAXG could quickly push toward a new local high. That would confirm bullish momentum returning to the market. But if support fails below $4,500, sellers may take control again, sending price toward lower support zones. Interestingly, community sentiment remains strongly bullish, with over 70% of traders expecting higher prices ahead. So right now, PAX Gold is sitting at a very important technical level. A breakout could trigger strong momentum, but traders should still remain cautious and manage risk carefully. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Token Space, and turn on notifications for more professional crypto analysis every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.